guys, welcome back from another video from Python Dev Pro. So actually this is a detailed tutorial video of Python Dev Pro, how this application works and all. So let me first of all show you, this is that Age 1 AI. Actually this Age 1 AI is what it's doing is, we need to store our PDF data in web. So that's why we will using this Age 1 AI. So I just selecting these upload files. So anyways, I will given this provider URL in my description of the video. Please check it, and we can select our PDF file here. Once I will browse it, so I will select my video Python diverse traffic lights. Just click the open. It's asking for 84 MB. Just to deploy it. Yeah, once successfully deployed, then we get this URL. Just click to open it. See, this is what our PDF URL. So we can just take it copy, or else I will just open my PDF here. Okay, so I got the PDF data. So almost this is talking about traffic lights, and based upon the traffic light, it's their IEEE transaction they are released in the 2024 only. It's recent IEEE paper, and so many data will be there in this PDF. Some performance plot and comparisons, and equations also it's available, and problem formulations also they're given, topology also they have provided, so on. So many blogs and models will be there, right? So see, this is a real time prototype also they are done for this system. So this is so many steps will be there in this IEEE journal. So I'm just taking this copy of this IEEE journal, and I will go to our application. So I will just get it to start into our application, like Python Dev Pro. Yeah, actually I have a login with my dummy operator. So if you want to log in with your own operator, we can use like a local database login, or else you can go with the Google login also. And today I just into my test operator. One successfully sign in back, so you can just click on this, get it to starting. Now our application we will get into that. We are just paste our provider URL here, and click on this convert to Python. Yeah, it will be load around 10 to 15 minutes for this generating entire video for outputs. Hmm. Yeah, we will got it a successful code generation. See, so many code are generated due to belongs to the paper. So I just simply copied this copied button. Or else if you want to download from the future reference, you can download itself here. And just Jupyter notebook from the Google Colab. Just paste it our code, and get it run here from here. It takes some time. Yeah, we got output something like as per that our IEEE paper, right? So we got the output I here from, right. Yeah, this one like age distribution, driving purpose. So everything we got it from here, driving purpose, and as per that we will get like almost 85% of results, and some axis bar chart also we got it, and yeah, this plot also we are see from here, right? This from here, yeah, this one. So this one also we are getting. Yes, and some blocks diagram. Yeah, performance plot. Yeah, this is like this also in their paper. Some, yeah, this is what we are getting the results also, performance plotting. and these one also we got it. So this performance and everything will got from in the our paper itself, and so this is almost 85% exactly we will getting like similar results. And this is we are done in within 15 minutes of given time or 10 to 15 minutes. It will be like very easy to complete our general work, and even it's iterating some uh, losses and all some parameters calculated. So this is what this application is works. Yeah. If you have any doubts or anything, please comment about this video. We will get clarified to you. Thank you.